Undo your ponytail, let all it fall down. Told you I'm gonna be there to beat it all down.
What's up, gang? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing things a little bit differently. I decided at the last minute to film my install, and so we're here. So look at this. This is beautiful. Like, look at these curls. And this hair gets so big. I decided to go ahead and make a video because I know a lot of people probably click because of the thumbnail. So yes, I decided to go ahead and show you all how big this hair gets. And it's so beautiful and it's still soft. So I went ahead and showed you the part. Since I won't be doing any parting, I'm going to be doing the flip over method. And so here I'm just making sure that everything fits and seeing where everything is going to go. So this hair is by VIPbeauty. I ended up getting a 20-inch frontal, 22, then two 24s. So here I'm going to be cutting the lace with a razor. I use a razor because one time, the very first time I used scissors, for some reason, like after that, I just couldn't use scissors anymore. I ended up looking like a whole moon pie. And so from that point on, I decided just to use my razors because no matter how many times I use a scissors, it just doesn't work. I always just end up just cutting straight across and looking like a damn fool. And so I'm going to go ahead and just cut the lace, well, the extra lace off of the camera because I like to cut close on my mannequin head. And if I decide to do it on my forehead, I'm going to be looking like I was attacked by Edward Scissorhands. So I just go ahead and then just use my mannequin. So now we're going to be cleaning the what? Oh yeah, cleaning the makeup and oil off of my forehead. And so I use 91% alcohol, and then I just go ahead and just clean it off. And so now we're going to be applying this. Let me tell you, because I know the comments is going to be rolling in. Do not do what I do. If you are not experienced with Ghost Bond, do not do what I'm doing. I am going around on my forehead, but I am going around my edges. I do get a little bit of glue, just a little bit of glue on my side edges, like sideburns, whatever you want to call them. But I know how to get it out. Like, I use 91% alcohol. I've been doing it for like months, and I have not lost a single like hair at all. And so, like I said, if you are not experienced, please do the sucking cat method. Please go about this the right way. But as you can see, all of my edges are there. Like, I have no problem at all with this. Usually I'll go ahead and do the what is it, the Got to Be glue. But when I'm doing like curly hair and I know that I'm going to be wetting it, I like to go ahead and use the bolt hold, because if you wet that Got to Be glue, we all know, sis, you're going to be getting embarrassed. So I just go ahead and use 2 coats too. I don't do 4 coats because I mainly keep this on not long because I have so many other reviews to do. And so now we're going to be applying it. And oh yes, girl, go ahead. Go ahead. I'm gonna be quiet while she concentrates. Oh, girl, do you see that? No, I don't either. I don't see it either. So I'm not a gang. Like, I'm not really like part of the gang of leaving a lot of lace. Like, I see some people, whatever floats their boat, they like to go ahead and leave a bunch of lace on their frontals. And no, like over here, we like to cut close. For some people it works. I just found out like really does not work for me. I can still see it no matter how much you melt it, no matter how much you put foundation, powder, whatever over it. I just don't like to leave a lot of lace. Now, I could have went ahead and plucked a little bit more on the left side, you're going to see. And since I was doing the flip over method, I don't. I mean, if you look at my other videos, you would see like one side is always plucked real good, and then the other side isn't until I decide to use it, because to me, it's just a waste of time. And see, right here, you're going to see for some reason, I always have trouble with my edges. Like, I know I can't be the only one. I can't be. Like, it's just not going to stick. And then I ended up having to fix it off camera because it just would not stick. Like, Shorty just kept coming up, and I was so aggravated. Like I was getting ready to snatch the whole wig off, but then I realized I do have bow hold on. So I just kept playing with it and playing with it, but my patience was very, very thin. And so, let's see. Yeah, we're just going to be pressing it in, combing it back, and just going to make sure that everything is laying like it's supposed to be. And again, that damn side, I don't understand what's going on. Like, I don't like putting a lot of glue over there, but I just went ahead and decided to go ahead and just roll with it. So now I'm going to be using one of those black strippy black thingies or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. My hairdresser put me onto it. So before then, I was just using a regular old scarf. But we're going to be tying this down. We're going to be waiting about 10 minutes, which it turns into, I'm not kidding, it turned into a whole hour. Because the kiddos, I don't know what it is. They always just realize when the hell I'm damn recording. So now, yes, girl, I was feeling myself. I was like, okay, yeah, let's go ahead and pop the contacts in. We about to be going somewhere. So after like a whole hour, I decided to go ahead and then just come back and let you all see everything that was happening. And so, yes, girl, we are giving it to you raw. Like, ain't no filters over here on this side, like your favorite gurus. We not putting the blur filter. We not adding a whole bunch of special effects over here. It's just me, you, my ring light, that 1080p, and my iPhone Max. That's it. So, this is all we going to be getting over here. Like, I don't know. But just follow with me. Just follow with me. The come out's going to be beautiful. I know right now we're looking a little bit crazy. Just a little bit crazy, but we're going to pull through, okay? So right now I'm just using the alcohol. I'm just wiping it all down and stuff like that. And you want to get that excess glue off of there because when it comes time to, if you use baby hairs, when it comes time to lay baby hairs, you don't want all that to be like mixing with the gel or whatever you use to lay your baby hairs. And so now I'm going to be creating those baby hairs. And I'm not going to lie. I cut some of this off because I suck at baby hairs. Like, I suck. It was so bad is that the one time that I actually did good or semi-good off camera. Like, off camera. Like, I did it off camera. I'm like, are you for real? So I'm in the process of buying that cute little edge brush or whatever, and hopefully that can help me out on these darn baby hairs. But I know everyone's not a fan of them and stuff, so if you're not going to do your baby hairs, this would be it for you. Like, you would just go ahead and just, you know, style it how you want to, and you're done. But for me, you know, I like to be a little bit extra when I use my frontals, and I like to create baby hairs, so that's what we gonna do. Boom! Shakalaka. We here. We semi here. We gonna get these baby hairs together though. Like, I'm gonna keep watching tutorials on YouTube, and we gonna get it right. And so now I'm just loosening them up because I did use some of that, what was it, Got to Be Freeze spray. And so we just loosening it up, but I wish I would have waited until after I wet my hair and everything. Oh yeah, we doing that makeup part because sometimes we all forget about that. And some of these YouTubers looking crazy. And so yeah, we're gonna definitely be putting the makeup on there. But yeah, I wish I would have waited to loosen up the baby hairs, and I wish I wouldn't have did that part right there because I feel like I didn't need that. Like, I'm just being extra now. But now we're gonna be creating, I don't know what I was doing because I was like, shorty, you just, yeah, see, you see me doing it, like, what are you doing? Like, you supposed to be doing the flip over method. But anyways, we gonna be doing it though. Oh, there we go. So here, I would recommend, such is so much hair. Like, this hair is thick. Like, it's, and I promise you, when I got the bundles from the lady, and when VIP sent me the bundles, I was like, ma'am, this is not gonna be enough. Like, this is not gonna be enough. And she reassured me, like, trust me, this is gonna be enough. And I ate my words because, as you can see how full this hair looks, I was just like, oh my gosh, like, this hair is so full. You would have never known that. And so here we're just going to be wetting it. And like I was saying, I recommend you section it off since it's a lot of hair and stuff, and just, you know, work through it. And you can use like, what is it, the Design Essentials, and you can use the Shine and Polish. They have really good like curling mousse, but I decided to be extra and use my curl maker, which is damn expensive, but I needed my curls to be juicy, like real juicy, and I needed to be like on 100 because I was going thought and popping stuff. I needed to be I needed them curls to pop, like pop or whatever. And so that's why I'm just going ahead and using my curl maker. But normally, like I said, I would just use Design Essentials. Their mousse is really good with a little bit of water. And so I had a little bit of shedding going on, but it was nothing. I think that was just from me cutting my ear tabs. And so this hair is really good. It doesn't shed at all. And I'm 5'5". So yeah, that comes all the way down to my butt. And so this is the final look, and I'm really feeling this hair. The thumbnail is what really showed what it looked like when it was dry. And like I said, I didn't spray a lot of water. And so, yeah, that concludes this video. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Become part of the family, and I will see you next time. Bye.
I swear, I heard you with that kinky shit, girl, I can take it there. In the mall, blowing a check, pick out your favorite pair, but why you make it so complicated? Off the drink, we concentrated.